so amazing.
I know. What'd you come with?
Oh, my boyfriend Todd.
Oh, Todd.
Oh, you know Todd?
Not like that. I just see him around every now and then.
Okay.
You take my number. I do hair.
Oh, my phone is dead. Oh, I'll put it in my man's phone. What's your number?
555-2135.
You're actually already in here as Fat Pussy Joanne.
Oh, girl. I'm pretty sure that's a typo. Here, let me give you my home number.
So that's in here too. As a smash and dash Joanne's home number?
I'm pretty sure that's a mistake too.
What's going on here?
Hey, Grandma. I was just talking to Jenna. This is Todd's girlfriend.
Oh, Todd. I love Todd. Todd's a sweetheart.
You should take my grandmother's number. She does nails.
What is it?
555-6466.
Looks like you're in here as well. As a cougar, that twat can maneuver.
Yeah, that's a typo. That's a typo. See, what it should say is cougar, that twat did maneuver. Because we had sex.
What?
Anybody want some Hennessy?